All right, what's up, everyone? I'm your host, Brandon Williams, and you are at Lit Reviews. And today we are in a new setting, not the best, but this is actually the basement of my house. So I'm gonna start doing my recording down here. Hopefully, we'll put some stuff up over time so it looks a little bit better. But we're not about that for today. We are about our next review, which is on the Roku Express. I had to rush this one because I need to hook this up. So it's actually a two-part video. Well, this is the first half where we talk about it, and the second half is me installing it. So you'll get to see that as well. So let's get right into it, and let's get lit. All right, as you can see, we have the Roku Express, which if you've never heard of Roku, you must be living under a rock. Everyone's heard of Roku. It's the same thing as having like a Chromecast or Apple TV. It's basically a streaming box, so you can stream like Disney Plus, Netflix, Hulu, Vudu, all the other streaming services all in one little package. So I actually haven't even opened this up, nor have I ever set up a Roku, but it shouldn't be much of a problem. They seem to be really easy. So first, let me go over and read the box. So Roku Express, fast high definition streaming made easy. Simple setup with HDMI included cable, which is awesome. Lets you know some of the apps on the front of the box that, let me zoom it in there for you. That you can actually download, or it's already on there pre-installed. You have your choice to control, enjoy a massive selection of free and subscription channels, movie rentals, and more. Watch what you love, pay only for what you want. And what's included in the box is your Roku Express streaming player, remote with preset channel shortcut buttons, so probably like a hot button feature to like Netflix or Hulu or something like that. You get your two AAA batteries, which is nice. You don't have to come out of pocket right away. High-speed HDMI cable, USB power cable, and the power adapter. And what you should know before you set up a Roku, you will need broadband internet, a wireless router, and TV. You need a TV. It's essential, right? Go figure. You need a TV with HDMI port. Some channels may require payment, so be careful on that. Channels can change and vary by country. And like they say on the back, from CNET, from 5/11/2020, Express is the cheapest streamer on the market, yet still delivers all of the goodness of Roku's platform. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Da-da-da. I'm like an animal when I unbox stuff. There's like no care, no nothing. So here we go. You got your controller, if I can get it out. So it's the remote control. See how it has little hot buttons on there? Boop, boop. Put it in real close. So on your hot buttons, you got Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, and Vudu. Very simple, very light controller. I mean, it's about normal for what you'll see for Roku. It's got the little tab on the bottom that says Roku. You got power adapter, plugs into the wall. Your handy dandy batteries. And this is, wow, hold on. Let's throw that out the way. Hold on now. This box is super tiny. Oh my God. Wow. I am blown away at how small they make this. This is like a little bit bigger than a Raspberry Pi. It might be a little bit smaller than a Raspberry Pi. I haven't messed around with one in a few years, so oh, it's crazy how small this is. Light, very light, hard plastic. Barely could fit the word Roku on there, it's so small. You got your HDMI port, you got a USB port, that's probably where you get your charging from, and a little reset button. That's where you point the remote. Nice little stickers to let you know what you're doing on it. But it is light compared to my hand. This is the size. Like, it's the size of my fingers. It's tiny. If you get one, which if you are gonna get one, I'll see if I can put a link in the description for you. So that way you can get your own if you need it. If you don't have a smart TV, you can make a TV smart with a Roku device. But if you do buy one, oh my God, you will be surprised at how tiny this little box is, and that's so powerful. Oh, there's more. There's more in the box. I dropped stuff. You got your quick start guide, just in case you don't know what you're doing. And looks like you got your power cable. So it's a USB to USB-C, it looks like. No, not USB-C. USB-A to micro USB is what I meant to say. And that will plug into the back of this. And your handy dandy HDMI cable that'll plug into your TV. So it looks like very, very simple application. It should be very easy to show you when I install it for you. So I want you guys to hang tight and we'll get into the installation. All right, let's do this. So here we are about to install the Roku. So first things first, let's take these batteries and let's put them in the remote. Take the cool little plastic off. Make sure you follow the signs on the controller so you know which polarity you need for each battery. Boom, remote's done. So now, take the USB right here. Super, super simple, looks like setup here. You got the back of your charger here, so you put the USB in there. Boom. Plug it up, I got an extension cord down here. Ba-dow, done. And then, plug it right where it's supposed to go, line it up correctly. Ka-chow! Boom. There's a Roku. Remember showing you that earlier. Take the little plastic off. Take your little HDMI cable. Boom, it's in there. That's simple. And now, put it in the TV. And dun 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 dun, that simple. Let's see here. I can bring you on a journey with me. And there you go. It's that simple to hook up the new Roku Express. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Check me out on L.I.T Reviews. Check out the other videos. If you like what you see, make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the little notification bell so you see notifications. Remember, I'll put the link for the Roku Express in the descriptions below. And you guys stay lit, okay? Peace.